Well, it's time to give the little Honda 50 an oil change.
Okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you're enjoying the Kodokuna Raida YouTube channel.
Let's get it inside the garage, put it up in the centre stand, we'll drain the oil and put some new stuff in. Let's go. First, put it up on the centre stand. Next, undo your oil filler cap on the right hand rear of the engine. But just leave it sitting in so no dust will get in your engine. After you've undone the filler cap, you have to let the oil out on the right hand side. In the middle of the engine you'll see the bolt. This is to drain. Of course, oil's going to come out, so make sure you get your drainage container ready. Drain the oil. To make sure you get the oil all out, just lean your bike over to the right hand side so the oil all comes out. Once the oil stopped draining, put in your plug, put the plug back in. Give it a little wipe, make sure it's nice and clean. Now I've got to put the oil back in. Make sure you put the right oil back in. My little Honda 50 is a 4-stroke, so 4-stroke oil, 10W40. Don't overfill it. Can you see the level? It's spot on, right on the mark. So that's it. Screw it back in. Make sure it's hand tight. Don't need to do it with pliers. Hand tight's okay. And the little Honda 50 is ready to run again. It's as easy as that. So let's go for a ride on the Honda 50 and see how she goes. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Remember, drive like you know each other, and see you again on the next episode. Bye bye.
From the garage sunny day, oh my little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll do 150 on a windy day. Well, I bought her in the buy and sell in 1992. A travelling man in the caravan said, "This is the bike for you." He was looking for £100, well I gave him 82. Well, I took her for a spin on the Kinnigan Road and we got cheap and flew. Oh, my little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll get you away from the guards any day. Oh, my little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll do 150 on a windy day. Well, I drove her into Newbridge. I was looking for a couple of parts, like alloy wheels and nitros and a new push-button start. Then I headed down to Robertstown to drop in for a beer. 85 over the bridge in second gear. Oh, my little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll get you away from the guards any day. Oh, my little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll do 150 50 on a windy day. I was heading out from Robertstown going towards Timahoe. Well, I saw the guards behind me, Sergeant Kelly, don't you know? I said, oof, just me luck, and I hit the old nitro. By the time they'd hit Bucket Cross, I was in Timahoe. My little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll get you away from the guards any day. Oh, my little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll do 150.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this week's program. Don't forget to press the like button and push that subscribe button also. See you next time.